Day one bale of switchgrass. Runtime since installed has been 1 minute, 100% exhaust gas temperature, 800 degrees, relatively zero smoke, high opacity. 10 minutes into the burn process, 40 hertz. We're still 800 degrees exhaust gas temperature, zero smoke. Opacity has dropped to a 6 to 7 on a scale to 10. 33%, 20 hertz, 15 minutes run time. Opacity is down to 2. Smoke level is back up to a 4 to 5. Exhaust gas temperature 700 degrees. 20 minutes into the burn, 752 degrees in auto mode. Seems to be a really nice number. 4 opacity, 1 smoke. Day 2 bales installed 30 seconds ago. Lots of smoke. Exhaust gas temperature 150 degrees. 2 minutes into the burn process, exhaust gas temperature 600 degrees, up from 180. Exhaust gas increasing at 2 degrees per second. "24 hours later, temperature rising 1 degree every 2 to 3 seconds. Fuel level down to maybe 10%. Much less exhaust gas temperature is needed to clean the smoke out. Day 3, 24 hours after loading 2 bales of switchgrass. Exhaust gas temperature 190 degrees and rising, blower 100%. Target temperature 460 degrees. Zero smoke, zero opacity. Not exactly what I was hoping for. The bales do fit in the hole, but they have to be rounded to get in the hole. So it takes some re-engineering of the deflection plate in the insulation to gain full access of the opening. With the opening full access, the bales slide in. 2 bales, possibly 3 would be, 2 bales is a maximum right now, but 3 bales would fit with a lid change. 30 seconds after installation of 2 bales, blower 100%, slowing immediately, exhaust gas temperature rising to 600 degrees. Minimal smoke, opacity 2, blower speed is slowed to 50%, exhaust gas temperature 750 degrees, very little smoke. Smoke increasing as blower has fallen. Fan speed is slowed to 16.7%, which is the minimum. Exhaust gas temperature 684. Target was 446. We're going to ramp that back up to the 600 degree mark. As during initial burning, it seems to be a really nice number for getting out of smoke. Been heating for 3 days. Structure, 2 levels, non-insulated sidewalls. 220,000 BTU heater. Runs 20% of the time. So once we get up to that mark, we're going to increase in temperature really fast, as you can see. Eight to 10 degrees per second we're rising right now. And we're going to hit 752, and exhaust gas temperature will probably rise to 1,000 degrees, waiting for the stove to come back down. The smoke level is a 3, opacity 4 to 5. We've reached a 752. So once we get up to that mark, we're going to increase in temperature really fast, as you can see. Eight to 10 degrees per second we're rising right now. And we're going to hit 752, and exhaust gas temperature will probably rise to 1,000 degrees, waiting for the stove to come back down. The smoke level is a 3, opacity 4 to 5. We've reached a 752. Back down again over a 180-second time period, which would be changed for the switchgrass. So we're going to come back out of 752, leave it set at 600 for the duration. We're going to come back 12 hours later, and we're going to see what our wood load is looking like, our switchgrass load, I should say. That is 0 fan right now. Actually, that's a minimum fan. 40% as the smoke level increases. It's 5 minutes into the burn. The increase in temperature can be done almost immediately with exhaust gas temperature with the heat from the switchgrass. So we're going to go up to 752, which is the highest limit we can go, and examine how long it's going to take to get that exhaust gas temperature. It should be a matter of a few minutes as we slowly rise to 100% blower. There's a little lag time because of the increase in percent. Well, today we're going to burn some switchgrass as our fuel source. As you can see, we normally burn logs. It's 9 degrees here today in Hudsonville, Michigan. We're going to open our top here. We already got 2 bales in there, so it's a little smoky. Well, we're going to throw 2 more in there. We're going to burn 4 bales here today. Oh, 4 bales fit real nice. Man, and we're going to run in hand here for a little bit. There's our control panel. Only takes 11% to have exhaust gas temperatures of 286. We're going to run in hand. We're going to clean this smoke up. The only way to really do that is to push a little more air and get exhaust gas temperatures in the 600 degree range. So we got a preset right now that we can only run up so high. So we're going to watch that fan slowly increase in speed. And watch our exhaust gas slowly plummet, then turn around and quickly rise. You know it's a YouTube video when you got the dog in it. How the dog always seems to get in the video. Well, we got a little bit of smoke. I think most of that's steam. Our switchgrass is about 9 to 12% moisture content. Not too much smoke though. It'll slowly clear out here. A couple hours into the burn, we'll come back out and we'll take another picture of it. We'll be 100% clear. Look at it and we'll see that we're out of smoke. To get a little closer, I see snow blowing, but I don't see any smoke. We got a little bit of smoke on the edges. We have zero exhaust smoke. See how much fuel we have left here. Well, actually, we got quite a bit.